Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to use Notion templates to create team goals dashboards in 2025. The easiest way is to grab goals or OKR dashboard template from Notion gallery or community. This usually comes with pre-built in properties for goals name and owner priority deadline and progress tracking so your framework is ready to go. You can align goals to departments, assign owners, and set milestones. Use progress bars, checkbox, or percentage properties to make progress visible at a glance. Notion multiple views make dashboards powerful. Use a timeline to view to see goals across the quarter, a board view to group by status, and a table view for details like KPIs or metrics. This helps leadership and team members to stay on the same page. For full integration, connect the goals to your dashboard with your project tracker. Meeting agendas or performance reviews in Notion this way goals aren't just written down, they are linked directly to the work driving. Finally, share the dashboard with your team so everyone can see updates in real time and celebrate progress together.